Welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's Halloween face paint tutorial, Simone is creating this clown, and if you want to know how, please keep watching. So this clown is created with a split cake by Diamond FX. It is called Tacolicious, and the colors in this split cake are yellow, orange, gold and black, and they are perfect to create a Halloween themed clown with. So here are the clown eyes. And next to the eyes we create a flower shape. That is the same on both of the eyes. And once that is on there, we continue to the black by Diamond FX for the clown's nose. For a lovely eyeliner. And for some details. So there is a triangle shape over the eye. But also under the eye. The lipstick is from the same split cake. Simone just chose one of the colors to create the lipstick with. And once that lipstick is on there, we are back to the black face paint by Diamond FX for the details over the eye. So this is an asymmetrical design. On the right side, Simone chose to put the most of the curls, swirls and teardrops on top of her eye, and on the left side of her face it is on the bottom. So finally we are making the clown's mouth. Basically that is a black outline for the mouth. And then we have that clown smile. A little bit of glitter mark by Maron Paradise for some gold details in this makeup. And with that, our Halloween clown face paint is done. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay tuned on all our videos.